CQ, I hear you in there, 3-4 division, definitely do there. See if we can get conditions to pump it up a little bit there. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA. Back to you, QSL. Hey, QSL 3-4 Romeo Charlie 102, I believe he said. Let me try it again here. 3-4 Whiskey Charlie 102. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. Back to you, sir.
Okay, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 3-4 Romeo Charlie 012. Many thanks for answering my call, my friend. 73 and 51 for you and your family. I hope that you'll find 100%. Well, my QRA, it's Alex. My operator's name is Alex. Like Alpha, Lima, Echo, X-Flight. Transmitting in the biggest island of the 34 Division, Tenerife. In the north of Tenerife Island. Please make yourself free for a Romeo Charlie 012 to 2 Alpha Whiskey 014.
Hey, QSL, Alex. QXL, very good, Alex, 100%. Condition, your report, 5x7, 5x5, 5x7, very good at the moment. You have personal on this end is Ken. Personal is Ken, Kilo Echo November. Ken is, personal is Ken, Kilo Echo November, located in the state of Tennessee, USA. What did you say your country was again, Alex? Bring back your country again, QSO.
Well, at the moment your signal reports here in Canary Islands, signal 35 Radio 4, signal 35 Radio 4, a little here Mexico and a little QSB. QSL, Mr. Ken.
QSL, very good, Alex, very good, 100% all the way. Yes, I do know the island you're talking about now. I do know the island. I actually talked to a unit yesterday. Yesterday I made contact into your island yesterday. So maybe we've got the conditions here. It seems like we got the conditions today starting to pick up. This morning we didn't have a lot of conditions, but we definitely starting to get them here right at the moment. It's good to making your contact, Alex. Very, very good, strong signal here in the state of Tennessee there. Ken, back to you, Alex.
Okay, Mr. Ken, I have a little problem to copy because there is some station calling with stronger signal than yours. There is some stations calling with a stronger signal than yours. Mr. Ken, I have a problem to copy your last transmission. Please, Mr. Ken, can you repeat again, please?
Yes, QSL 100%. I was just saying, I know the island you're talking about now. I do know the island you're talking about. It's right above South Africa. I looked at the island. I made contact into your island yesterday, and I hope I'm not getting keyed on and I'm getting across to you this time. I don't know what country they're coming out of there, Alex. Ken, back to you there, QSL.
Station
QSL, Alex. Very good QSL. Well, I'll step over here and see if you can make another contact there. I'll definitely stay here on the frequency there and monitor your QSO there. It's been a pleasure, Alex, making a contact with you. Mother Nature held in there for me just a little bit, and I'm glad to make a contact over in your island there. It's been a pleasure on this end. All the good numbers to you, Alex, from my house to yours. This is 2AW014, State of Tennessee, USA. Alex, we thank you so much. QSO.